Welcome to my channel, Greg CD channel. I'm here in front of Jack's car. JackUltraMotive car, look at that, Audi R8. And then we got everything designed. Look, Seattle Space Needle. Look at that. And then there's Jack over there talking to the people, and we will talk to him. Alright, check out the cars. Woo!
YouTubers say they come off as if they have
Nice. Powerful. I'm back here again, Greg CD channel. I'm here with Jack Automotive channel.
Yes, sir.
So he's got some super cool car here, Audi R8, and then look at that. So he let people sign it, and so this is awesome. This is different. So get opportunity people to put art or signature there, and then check it out. All these designs, so cool. And then we have a Space Needle over there. Hey Jack, how you doing?
Good, man.
Good.
Yeah, we're just freaking boys that just
Yes.
want to have fun. So we had a fully wrapped car, and we're like, you know, this is an empty art palette. Let's go get some. Let's get some paint markers and let's make something different out of it.
Right.
And it's working because there is a sea of Audi R8s right here. But I mean, this gives something for people to actually come by and stare at and kind of admire. So
Right.
it's cool. And yeah, we're letting people sign it.
Yes, look at that. People sign it, and then I signed that too.
Yeah,
And,
it's on there somewhere. You got to show your audience.
Yes. What year is this car?
2017.
2017. Wow. And the engine is really big. It's V10 engine. And how fast did you?
I don't know. I got the car at the beginning of this month, so I haven't had it for that long.
Oh, this is really
so it's pretty new to me. So I've barely broken 3 digits in speed. And it's got plenty of more room for fun.
More room for fun. Yes.
Yeah.
So what's your plan after unwrap this?
Get some aftermarket wheels, lower the car, get a bigger spoiler, and simple stuff like that. Just makes it a little more sportier, and kind of leave it at that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's check it out. All the things that are here. Thank you, Jack. Here's mine, Greg CD channel. Look at that. We did it.
I did most of kind of near the front, all this area. I did most everything on this door and stuff. A buddy of mine, he actually has a Hawaiian tribal tattoo. So he replicated a lot of it, a lot of these tribal designs. Yeah, all throughout here. My buddy Tim did some of these logos and characters. Same with my buddy Jesse over there. So I'd say a combination of 5 people.
5 people.
Yeah.
Yes. Cool.
But
this is great.
Input, but
So what is the story with this? You wanna put
Well, the story is, I mean, it's fun to let people sign it because,
Yes.
you know, give them an opportunity to draw on a car. That usually doesn't happen. And
I know. Expensive car.
sign it. Yeah,
Expensive car.
exactly. But we just decided to do it because it'd be fun content, something different. And, and I was going to plan on taking off the wrap anyway, so it's...
This is
yeah,
wrap,
so it's full wrap all over
full
the
wrap.
car.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. What is the original color underneath?
The original color is a... basically
black?
white.
Oh, white. Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Oh, so this way. Wow, this is inside here.
I'm trying to do the turtle. I'm trying to do that.
Great video channel.
I'm bottom out. It's
Mantap.
Hi, how are you?
Space Needle.
Hi, how are you?